Yesterday, I made over $1,000 using ChatGPT, and today I'm probably going to do around the same. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can make money with ChatGPT online and get paid commissions. And I'm going to show you this step by step, take you through everything you need to know to make affiliate marketing commissions with ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an AI software that people are using every single day to start businesses online and make money. Now, the thing is, there's so many different ways to make money with ChatGPT, but I've been using it in my everyday businesses, so I know exactly how it's working right now with the methods that I do every single day. And there's tons of methods out there, but I'm showing you ones that are actually working in my everyday business. Now, you can do this method for completely free. I'm going to take you through everything step by step and show you exactly how to get started making commissions with ChatGPT. So let's jump into this video and I will show you how you can do this with a method called affiliate marketing. That's how I made the $1,000 in one single day. And I know people doing well over $10,000 consistently with affiliate marketing using AI software. Let's jump into this video and get started. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you promote other people's products and you get a commission. For example, with Amazon Associates, which is their affiliate marketing program. So this is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. And you can earn up to 10% in commissions depending on the product and what you are actually promoting. Now let's move on to the next thing for this particular tutorial. You're going to need a tool called ChatGPT. This is free right now, although they are working on a premium plan as well. So just go to OpenAI.com and click on Try GPT, and you'll be taken to the GPT website. Now, this is ChatGPT, and we're going to come back to this in a second, but essentially what ChatGPT does is you put in information and it's going to spit out what you actually need. So for example, you could ask it to write you an essay for school, you could ask it for a review on products, pretty much anything. And we're going to dive into this in a second. This thing is insane. And honestly, I've only just scratched the surface. The next step is you want to go onto YouTube and you want to find a faceless niche where you can make videos that don't show your face or voice. Now, I have a video that takes you through the best faceless niches online that make the most money. I will link that video down below and you can go through and you can have a look at those faceless YouTube niches where you make faceless YouTube videos and get paid for those videos to be on YouTube. Now, for this example, we are going to use this one here, which is from my video, where we're going to focus on this website here where they do reviews on products. Now, if we click on this video, I will show you how they are making their money. If we go down here, they are linking to Amazon products. Okay, so if we click on one of these, it's going to take us to Amazon. And what happens is he will get a commission when someone purchases this product. Okay, he will get a commission. And as you can see, he is doing this every single day on tons of specific products. Well, once a week at this point, he was doing it every single day on these specific products. So he's making money by doing this, or he wouldn't actually be doing this at all. And these are very basic videos. He doesn't show his face. He's using a robot voice, and he's just using stock footage that he gets online. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this yourself. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called invideo.io. I will leave a link below. It's an affiliate link and you can sign up to get started. Now, they do have a free plan that you can use, but what I would recommend you actually do is you use the paid plan because you actually get much more that you can do with this particular software. And if you pay yearly, you get a pretty big discount. You save 50%. And they have two plans here that you could go ahead and use. However, it's okay to go and use the free version to get started if you like. And we are going to use this. This is all you actually need to do this particular method apart from ChatGPT. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how you can go and make your own videos like this and get paid a commission by promoting those particular products. So first you're going to want to go and sign up to this website here, invideo.io, and then you want to have a clear project here ready to go. Now the next step is you want to find a specific topic for ChatGPT to write for you. Pretty easy like to do this with ChatGPT in this particular niche, and I'll show you right here. I've already done it. So what I did is I said to ChatGPT, write a video script on the 6 best gaming monitors for 2003. And what it does is it gives me a voiceover. So it gives me a bit of an intro right here. And then it gives me 6 bullet points. So I said the 6 best games. It gives me 6 bullet points on the 6 best gaming monitors. And then it gives a little bit of an outro. And then I said, make bullet points longer and more specific. Now keep in mind, these are very, very basic prompts. If you use this guy's tips, you will get much better results from ChatGPT. But this is just to give you an example for this video. And as you can see, the bullet points were made a little bit longer, actually quite a bit longer, and much more detail. And this is just crazy that this chatbot can do this. So now what we want to do is we want to head over to InVideo here. Now I do have a project that I've already actually done, but I will just show you the basics here real quick, and then we will move on to the next steps. So if we go to videos here, what I'm going to actually do is just put in gaming just to get a gaming video for the intro, okay? That's the most important part right now. And we're just going to go ahead and choose any one. We'll just drag this one. We'll just add this one right here and we'll go add. Okay. So this is the intro. Now you might be wondering, how do we get the text onto here? What we want to do is go back to ChatGPT and we want to highlight our intro, which is this one right here, and copy this. Okay. I'm going to copy this right now. So right click and then copy. I'm going to go back to video here and I'm going to go voice over. I'm going to go automated text to speech. Now, I would recommend you actually do pay someone to do a voiceover for you properly. You can use someone from Fiverr, just put in voiceover and you can get different languages and things like that if you like, for a more professional vibe. However, you can use InVideo if you like, and you can import your own ones if you like, or record your own voiceover. But I'm going to go automated text to speech, and I'm simply going to paste in that text. And I'm going to use Matthew because that's the best voice I've found, and generate voiceover. And now this is actually generating a voiceover for us, and you can preview this if you like.
Are you tired of playing games on a subpar monitor? Look no further.
Okay, now we're going to actually add this to this video right here, and we'll push play, and you'll see
Are you tired of playing
within
games on
a couple of seconds,
Look no further.
we just made a
As
bit of an
we
intro.
scour the market to bring you the top 6 gaming monitors of 2023. Whether you're a casual gamer
So we just made an intro.
or a professional esports player, these monitors will take your gaming experience to the next level.
Easy, okay? Now, what you want to do then is you obviously want to, I'm going to cut this off here. So delete, split, and we're going to just delete that. Then what you want to do is you obviously want to go ahead and repeat that process for every single bullet point that you do, and you can go and get images off the internet. I noticed on this one here, if we click on here, he just says that he uses royalty-free images. So portions of footage found in this video are not original content produced by Top Tech Now. Portions of stock footage and products were gathered from multiple sources, including manufacturers, value creators, and various other sources. So you do want to make sure you pick stuff that you can actually use, but that's his disclaimer there anyways. Now what I've done, instead of going ahead and doing this over and over again multiple times, what I've done is I've actually done my own version here real quick, and I'll show you what it's like. So we'll go here. Sorry, there's all this stuff pops up. You know how it is. Okay, we're back at the start.
Are you tired of playing games on a subpar monitor? Look no further, as we've scoured the market to bring you the top 6 gaming monitors of 2023. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional esports player, these monitors will take your gaming experience to the next level. The Asus ROG Swift PG279QZ is a 27-inch IPS panel gaming monitor with a 1440p resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It also has G-Sync technology.
Okay, so that's a 30-second clip I just wrote up before this video. Super easy. And you might be thinking to yourself, how did you get this text on the screen? All I did was go to text. We'll just do it here real quick. And you just go like that. You just add it in, double click on it, and it will add it in. And then you will just click on it. It's done too. It sometimes takes a while, so you have to just wait. Anyway, and then you can just change that text however you like. So you just change it in here to whatever you like. Right? Like I can put my name here, just whatever you like. And essentially all you're doing is you're transferring the information from ChatGPT to InVideo, and you can use videos and images from InVideo. Now, I would recommend, because you actually notice on here that a lot of his videos are just images.
What is going up? There are adjustments.
So
Looking for the pinnacle in home theater projectors, the Sony V.
actually, I'll take the voice down for a second. So you can see most of it's just images, and he's zooming in, panning around. It's giving it a bit of a nice vibe there to keep people interested in the video. So you can also use just images if you like from in video as well. But I would recommend getting the paid version if you are going to do that, because there's way more paid content in here than there is actually free content. Now, once you've gone ahead and created your full video, so you would have a full video. This guy's videos are not very long, so it actually doesn't take very long to create this content. We've got 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. We've got some that are 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 6 minutes. I would recommend 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to be a great range for you to make these types of videos. And you can actually use another AI software, if you like, called Midjourney. I'll leave a video below on how to use that to actually go ahead and make the thumbnails, if you like. So you can do this all with AI software. Now, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and export your video from video in video. So go ahead and export that into a file. Once you've exported this video, what you want to do is you want to go back and upload it to YouTube, but you want to actually optimize the video. Now, this guy's optimizing is not that good, to be honest. I would optimize it a lot better, but you want to go do a really nice title. You can actually use ChatGPT to create a title for you as well. All right, so I just actually started it just to give you an example. So I said, write 10 YouTube titles on a video about the 6 top gaming monitors. And there is quite a few here that I could potentially use. Top 6 gaming monitors for an immersive 2023 gaming experience. Now, these are not that great, but some of them are pretty good, and you can actually just edit them and use them in your videos. Just make it kind of a bit better. But obviously, like I said, use this guy's information here to put in better prompts, and you'll get in better information. Then what you want to do is you want to figure out what type of tags to use and everything like that. Now, to do that, you want to go ahead and use a platform called vidIQ, and you can connect this to your YouTube channel, and when you upload, it will give you suggestions on using the best tags. Then you want to go and write a description. This guy doesn't have a description, to be honest. Oh, he does. He has a little one down here, but to be honest, it's not very good. I would be writing a much better description. And then you obviously want to go and link your affiliate links that you get from after you sign up to Amazon Associates. And once you've gone and optimized your video, you could potentially go and get views and rank for those specific keywords or tags that vidIQ tells you that you want to go and put into your tags. All right, guys, so that's a way that you can go and make money online with ChatGPT. I gave you a full example, and you can essentially go and reverse engineer channels like this, and you can do your own version of this. You can do everything with AI. You can create the video script, you can create the thumbnails, and you can even create the video titles with AI software online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.